In front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, tap on Additional Settings. Now select Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and Gboard. Lastly, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!